Good morning, team leaders. Good morning, operating partners and principals. Good morning, managers. Good morning, admins. Good morning, coaches. I need your help. Here's what I need your help with. The last quarter of every year, most agents take off. This is an opportunity for us. This is an opportunity for us as leaders, as coaches in offices and market centers to help agents succeed, not only in the last quarter of a year, but also going into the next quarter. We have got a fantastic course that is going on live right now. And the challenge is that I don't see every agent from your market center participating in it. And this is something that can truly change the trajectory and the profit, not only for them personally, but for you as coaches, for you as team leaders, operating principals, and for your entire market center and office. It's called the 90 and 90 Listing Challenge. Here's what's happening. Every single day, we are going over actually, instead of me talking about it, let me show you what's going on and show you what many of your agents are missing right now. We talked about Ford. We talked about their sphere of influence and how to truly jumpstart that process to generate listings. We talked about the value of the database, what they currently have in there. We talked about implementing DTD2 and helping them do that. In week number 2, we talked about elevator pitches. What do they say if somebody asks them, what business are you in? How do they start a conversation immediately within the next 10 seconds that gets and piques somebody's interest to start asking them questions? We talked about the DISC assessment, and I know we talk about KPAs and all kinds of other things, but here's the thing. The DISC is very simple. They know exactly what they are when we talk about this, but even more importantly, we show them the lead generation pieces that fit within their personality. Why is that important? Because they'll do them if they're comfortable with them, they like them, and then they'll give them a chance consistently over time to show the results that we're looking for. This week, we're talking about essential dialogues, the mayor campaign, how to build your sphere of influence, your personal sales team that can take them from 0 to 10 million and beyond, just with that simple database and sphere of influence part of lead generation. We talked about pop buy and marketing ideas. Today, we're talking about 150 ways to continue to build your database over time. As we go through this for the rest of this year, we are talking about scripts. We're talking about business card scripts, vendor referral conversations, implementing an 8x8. And by the way, any of the materials and resource materials that they need, we have them. They're in the program. We're doing listing presentations for them. We're doing seller info sheets, pre-listing packages, calling friends, gratitudes. We're talking about absorption rates, expires, for sale by owners. Again, every piece that they need is included in the program. Well, let me show you, because we've already got a lot of this going on, and here's what's already on there live. You'll see that there is a video each day. We talk about the role play. They get to go back if they've missed it and watch the role play. They get to watch the huddle. We have the DTD2. We have the resources that are there for them as well. Every day, all of this gets updated with live materials that are coming. Guys, this is the opportunity to truly help your market center and office succeed, help you succeed, help increase your profit share, your profitability, and truly close the back door for the agents, because you and I both know that if we don't do that over the next 3 months, the grass is greener somewhere else. So join me in this. Please have your agents engage in this process, because if they don't, then the next 6 months, a year, are going to be difficult. All right, 90 and 90 Listing Challenge. Get them engaged. Coaches, it's up to you. Team leaders, operating principals, this is something that will change the trajectory of your office. Let's go. We're all in it together.